I'm here in the green room at Sam's Burger Joint, and I thought I'd have my acoustic. Let me do a little song for you, huh? Head banging like a beating drum, that's the price you paid for a little fun. Wish I knew there's a woman next to me. Check out at 11 a.m. I got to get on the road again, trying to chase the dream. No point in a goodbye kiss, cause it's all the same when you live like this. Never disappoint if you don't stay. Well, it's dark thoughts and dark liquor. Voice in my head said I'm getting better, taking it day by day. It sounds like blues, sounds like blues to me. Break my back setting up to sing a couple songs for a couple of bucks. No one wants to hear what I say. It's always, hey man, can you sing this song? It goes like this, it ain't very hard. Heard it on the radio yesterday. Band check barely pays the tab. All things considered, it's not too bad. Doing what I love, getting paid. Well, it's dark thoughts and dark liquor. Voice in my head said you could have done better. I'm taking it day by day, and it sounds like blues, but it feels like home. Sounds like blues to me. Like a beating drum, that's the price you pay for a little fun. Hey, thank you.
Thank you so much. Hope you like that song. That one's called Sounds Like Blues, and I'll be releasing that